Welcome to the Mobilrent channel. Epoxy clay, also known as epoxy putty, is a mixture of two epoxies and a hardener. When used together, they generate heat and solidify astonishingly strong. You can shape the battery pack mount adapter to fit the frame and secure it with double-sided tape. It is also used as an interior material, including for car audio. So this time, I tried using it to repair a broken bicycle headlight. I cut the broken wire and reconnected wires of the same color. It hardens remarkably strong within a day. Since it's so sturdy, I recommend sanding or shaping it with a knife before it completely hardens. I used automotive spray paint to paint it. The repair is so strong that I've been using it for 3 years now. Next time, I will use it to extend the length of an electric bicycle stand with a heavy load. I start by making a small hole with a drill. I reinforced it by screwing in a screw. Now, I shape it using epoxy clay. After it hardens, I remove the paper. I also repaired the flashlight handle to make it sturdy. It can also be used for molding when attaching an analog brake sensor, throttle type regenerative braking. And it's very useful when adjusting the gap when attaching an electric bicycle brake magnet sensor. Repairing a broken footrest on a child's saddle. I also used it for speaker molding. Yes, this is the large capacity version of the product you've seen in TV ads. It can also be used for clogging pipes or furniture repairs. We briefly looked at the usage and applications of epoxy clay. If this video was helpful, please subscribe and click the like button. This was Dr. Road from Mobilrent. We also appreciate your interest in electric bicycle books. Thank you for watching.